Thanks for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button. So I don't know if y'all seen the viral halter strapless dresses going around, but I decided to make one and it was so easy to do. I even made it to the point where you can switch it up and wear it in different styles. This look was so easy to make. All I needed was this pattern that I cut out and some elastic bands. After cutting the hole in it, I decided to drape it onto my dress form just to see which style I wanted to go with. Then I realized it can be worn in so many different ways, so I didn't officially sew the straps onto the dress because I wanted to give it options. So maybe I could figure out a way to like clip it on or button it on to the dress and still wear it in different ways. Now, at first, I decided I was going to pin the elastic down, stretch and pin, stretch and pin, but I decided that was too time consuming and just wasn't worth doing. So I just attached it and pulled it as I was going on the sewing machine. The look came out so cute, and that extra fabric I had from when I cut the hole into the fabric, I decided to use it as a veil.